Hi, my name is Troy and welcome to the Cpalead niche tutorial. Today I'm going to show you why niches are important and how you can make money off of them. So to get started, log into your Cpalead account, and you'll see as soon as you log in, they're located right below chat. So on the first page you'll see the niches under the niches tab, and these are all niches that were created by other publishers on the Cpalead network. So these are free for you to use, and you can copy and paste them and put them on any social network, website, any place of your choice where you think someone would complete a survey or install a mobile app to access the content that's promised in the niche itself. So for today's example, we're going to use the mobile strike fastest power method. So to get started, click the promote button, and as you'll see, you'll get a link to copy and paste. So first you'll want to copy it, and then you'll want to paste it on a web page or a social network of your choice. So for today's example, we're going to use Facebook, and as you can see, I've already pasted it here before, and this is how it shows up. Since this was created by another publisher, everything was already set for me. You can see the image was already set, the title was set, and the description was set. So no work required on my end besides just copying and pasting a link. And so the only job for the affiliate now is to find an area that's worth promoting it in. And so for instance, you'll want to look for people who like the game Mobile Strike, and this is the perfect page for it. This is a Mobile Strike cheats and tips page. And so anytime someone clicks on this link to access the Mobile Strike More Power method, they'll be prompted with the niche's landing page. So now they're on your niche. This is where the process starts, and this is where they learn how to obtain their power up for Mobile Strike. So to get started, your visitor will have to click on Start Process, and this is where they'll be prompted with a list of surveys available for them to complete. Once they complete one of these surveys, their content will be unlocked, which in this case is the Mobile Strike power method, and you'll earn about $1. And since you're using someone else's niche, if you're paid $1 for this survey, if the payout is $1 for this survey, you'll get 85 cents, and the niche creator will get 15 cents. Since niche creators will get 15 cents or 15% out of every lead that is generated on their niche. So that's what they get out of it. So for all the time they put into the research they put into finding a niche and then creating the landing page for it, setting the OG tags, the meta tags, the descriptions, something that would usually take an hour or two to do, if not more. They've already done that all for you, and what they get out of it is basically 15% out of every lead that's generated on their niche from anyone that's promoting it. So Cpalead, we'll take care of the niche creators, we take care of our affiliates, and it's sort of a nice little ecosystem here where basically everybody makes money and everyone can just focus on what they do best. Thank you for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you.
Don't forget like this video and subscribe to this channel. In the comment section write I subscribe. Thanks and see you later.